Good morning friends. In the previous video, we have discussed about properties of determinant. Today, our topic is minors and cofactors of a determinants. What are minors? Minors of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which Aij lies. Implies let we have given a determinant A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have to find out minor factor of 5. Minors of 5. This is the element of second row and second column. A22 is represented by M22. Implies minors of element A22. By deleting this row and this column, we get a second order determinant 1, 3, 7, 9. So M22 1, 3, 7, 9. So value of this determinant 1 into 9 minus 7 into 3. 9 minus 21 is equal to minus 12. So we can find minor of any element. If we find out minors of this A11, then delete this row, this column, and minors of M11 is equal to value of determinant by deleting this row and this column. So 5, 6, 8, 9 and 9, 5, 45 minus 48 implies minus 3. Further, cofactors. Cofactors of element of any determinant Aij denoted by capital Aij and is defined by Aij implies cofactor of that element is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j multiplied with Mij, where Mij is minor of that particular element. So, cofactor is directly related to minors. Let we have given a determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to find out cofactor of A22. So, cofactor of A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 M22, where M22 is the minor of this element. Now, M22, as we discussed earlier, by deleting this second row and second column, 1, 3, 7, 9 is equal to 9 minus 21 implies minus 12, and A22 implies cofactor minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into minus 12. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 minus 1 to the power 4 implies 1 into minus 12. So minus 12 means that only cofactors are the change of sign in minor factor depend on number of row and number of column. In an element where number of rows and number of columns sum is even, then there is no change. If it is odd, then the sign changes. Now we will discuss some important results of cofactors. The first property is if elements of a row or a column are multiplied with cofactors of same row, then we get determinant. Implies if values of elements of any row or any column are multiplied with the cofactors of same element, corresponding elements, then we get determinant. We have given a determinant A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. So we will find the minors of this row. So minors of A11 is equal to M11 implies determinant of A22, A23, A32 and A33. Determinant minors of M12. So leaving this row and this column, A21, A23, A31 and A33, and minor of M13 is equal to, deleting this column and this row, A21, A22, A31 and A32. Further, cofactors of M11. Cofactors of M11, A11 is equal to, only change of sign, -1 to the power 1 plus 1, and A22, A23, A32 and A33 implies -1 to the power 1 plus 1, 1 again. So A22, A23, A32, A33. Similarly, cofactors of A12, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, odd number, so change of sign negative, minus A21, A23, A31, A33, and A13 is equal to, again 3 plus 1, 4, so sign is positive, and A21, A22, A31 and A32. So what we get? We get, if determinant is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, then cofactors of first elements of first row, A11 this, A12 this and A13 this. Now if we multiply the corresponding elements of this row with the cofactors, what we get? Multiplication of A11 with its cofactor plus A12 with its cofactor plus A13 with its cofactor is equal to A11 multiplied with A22, A23, A32 and A33 minus this minus A12 multiplied with A12 implies A21, A23, A31, A33 plus A13 and A13 cofactor A21, A22, A31 and A32. And what is this? This is the value of determinant for this determinant. Look, A11 multiplied with A122, A33 and A32, A23. Again A12 multiplied with A21, A33, A31, A23 plus A13 and multiplied with A21, A32 and A31, A22. So this is value of determinant. So we can say, if we multiply the elements of any row or any column with the cofactors, then we get determinants. Further, property 2, if elements of any row or any column are multiplied with cofactors of other row or other column, then their sum is 0. If we take elements of first row of a determinant, let A, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then if we take elements of first row and multiply them with the cofactors of second row, yani A11 multiplied with cofactor of second element 21, A12, A22, A13, A23, then their sum is 0. Now we have to verify the same. So if we take left hand side, verify the same. A11 taking left hand side, A11 multiplied with cofactors of A21, then cofactors of A21 -1 to the power 2 plus 1 and determinant leaving A21. A21 implies this column and this row implies A12, A13, A32, A33 plus A12, and cofactors of A22. Cofactor of A22 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 multiplied with determinant of leaving this column and this row A11, A13, A31 and A33. Again plus A13 and cofactor of A23. Cofactor of A23 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 and leaving 2, 3. This row column and this row A11, A12 and A31, A32. Now if we simplify the same, A11 minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 imply minus 1 to the power 3 minus. Again value of this determinant A12 multiplied with A33 minus A13, A32. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 minus 1 to the power 4 implies again plus A12 determinant A11, A33, A13, A31. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 5 again minus, so minus A13 multiplied with A11, A32 minus A31, A12. Now if we simplify, multiply minus A11, A12, A33 plus A11, A13, A32 plus A12, A11, A33 minus A12, A13, A31 minus A13, A11, A32 and plus A. Thank you. So now A11, A12, A13, A11, A12, A33 minus plus cancelled A11, A13, A32, A11, A13, A32 plus minus cancelled A12, A13, A31, A13, A31, A12 cancelled is equal to 0. So product of elements of any row or any column with the cofactors of any other row or any other column is equal to 0. These are the important properties which we use